Hi, and welcome to part 2 of T.E.C. Stair Décor baluster shoe application. We'll start off like we did with the flat shoes by taking the male, and as you can see the male has the little tabs protruding, and we will take one of the locks. We will determine which side has the two notches. The two notches represent the bottom. So we'll flip it over and slide it into place so that those two notches are facing down. We will then take the second shoe, which I've already put together, and I will bring them over here to the rail, and we'll take the male and we'll put it down in position, and then we'll take the female and we'll start to slide it down. As you can see, it's already engaged, and then you just simply slide it down and then apply even pressure on both ends, and it's done. The locks are made of a soft rubber which allows these to be rotated. Most homes today, they don't guarantee that these balusters will be put on exactly right, and sometimes with the old style shoes, once they put the set screw in, it would be cockeyed like that. Well, these shoes allow you to rotate them into position, and there's enough pressure from the locks to hold it nicely. And so that's how you put these on. There'll be another video coming where I'll explain how to put the shoes on the top for those that are interested, and not just simply putting them on along the bottom rail, but also putting them across the top. As you can see here, here's one where it's on an angle, and these I've yet to do, but it gives you a nice idea of how it works and the difference between the plain Jane and the stylish T.E.C. Stair Décor baluster shoe. Thank you.